In this video we will talk about EPS and project in P6. We will go to the enterprise, then enterprise project structure, we will click here, then we will add new one. We will give the company name. EPS means your company name, like our company, building construction company. And EPS ID we will give BCC 01 and closed. Now here you can see our EPS is created successfully. Now we will add the project here. Right click, add project. Our EPS is building construction company, and project name we will give building project. EPS ID project ID we will give BP1. Next, project start date we can give 18 June and finish date 17 July. Now you can see our project is created here successfully. We will right click and we will open the project here. Then we will start in the next video to create WBS work breakdown structure.